Hey guys, I'm Andy. Welcome to Creatify, where you can create high converting on-brand ads with AI in minutes. Today, I just want to take you on a quick tour of the platform so you can start launching creatives fast. So a great place to start any ad campaign is here with the URL to ad feature. This pulls images, descriptions, and key product details that give you a clean starting point for your video ads. You just start by pasting your product URL here, and it'll pull all the assets from the page, including images, copy, product details. So you're already working with a solid foundation. And just like that, you've got a bunch of assets in different formats to build the rest of your campaign around. So next I want to show you guys this inspiration tab because it's packed with hundreds of proven templates running on Meta right now to help you spark ideas. When you find one that you like, just click recreate, drop an image of your product, and it will generate a unique version of that video centered around your product, but with that same viral DNA. Also, if you have a specific ad in mind that you're trying to recreate, you can go to Ad Clone, upload that video, and the AI model will analyze the format, the pacing, the style of that video, and recreate it for your product as well. Creatify has a whole suite of creative tools here on the homepage to help you bring your ideas to life. This avatar tool is great for UGC style videos. You can choose from a whole library of different AI avatars or even upload a photo of yourself or somebody else. Creatify also has tools to help you generate voiceovers and scripts for your AI avatars to read. Using this AI script generating tool, you can just put in kind of a brief description of what you want them to say, and it'll generate a script that the avatar will then read off in the video. One of the most powerful tools in the Creatify arsenal is definitely this asset generator. It gives you access to all the top AI image and video models in one place, so you can create product shots, lifestyle visuals, branded images, really anything that you need, all from natural language prompts. You just drop in your images of your product, tell it what you're looking for, and you'll end up with a stunning asset ready to go. So all these tools that I've been talking about work seamlessly with the video editor, which is great for tweaking and fine-tuning. You can make adjustments to the script, switch out avatars, swap out assets in different places, all these things to test out different variations of your videos to see what performs the best for you. Once your ad is ready to go, you can export it in any format. You can also launch it directly to ad networks such as Meta, TikTok, or AppLovin's Axon network. This keeps the creation and distribution in one simple flow. So there you have it. That's a quick introduction to Creatify. Everything that you need to create high quality brand assets all in one place. Start exploring and get ready to bring your ad ideas to life.